this is Rimi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the unboxing of Euphorbia Box February edition. If you haven't seen my January edition yet, that's right here. Before I unbox this, let me share you a few details about this box. So for starting off, the price of the box is about 248 rupees and the products that you get in the box are worth about 1250 rupees. So yeah, this is actually the cheapest box out there. Cheapest with the good quality products though. So in this box you get about 4 full-size products and there is also a shipping fee that is 12 rupees in which you get a samosa these days. So 12 rupees is like, you can afford that, right? So yeah, for the overall total box cost goes to 260 rupees, that is including shipping. And the subscriptions for this box has already been started. It has started since 1st February. So if you want to subscribe to this box, the link will be in the description box below. And they have this offer going on, that is the early 200 subscribers to their box will get a free eyeliner from the Insight brand. What are you waiting for? Just go ahead and subscribe to this box. So now let's open up the box and see what we got. So the first thing that I get actually is this card, and in this you get all the details about the products that you get in this particular box. The first thing that I got is this chocolate face glow magic pack, and it is actually, let's just open it up and see how it looks. So you guys, it actually looks like chocolate. Let's see if it smells the same. Kind of. Not entirely chocolate flavor, you know, fragrance, but yeah, almost. And its actual cost is about 450 rupees, and in this box you get for like about what, 260 divided by 4, that's gonna be 65. Okay, so the next item that you get is this ML Matte Look Super Matte Lipstick. It has this like matte finish all over the case. It is just this much though. Okay, this is the color that I got, and this is in orange shade. I honestly don't wear orange at all, but since I did get it in this box, I'm gonna give it a try and see how it looks on me. Yeah, you get about this much lip shade in it. Very travel friendly though. It is very tiny and you get a lot of lipstick in it. The shade that I got is number 13 and it's in orange shade. So you might get different color according to, you know, your luck, because it's going to be selected randomly for you. And its cost is about 350, and in this box you get for like what, 65 rupees? So yeah, that's really good, right?
There must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling
so the third item that you get is this 7 Seas matte lipstick. It's in red shade. Now everybody knows that I love red and pinks, and since they say it's matte, I'm gonna have to give it a try and see if it is matte. And this is the shade that all of you will get when you subscribe to this month's box, because this is the shade that is 201 red matte shade. So yeah, this is the one that you will get in your box as well.
far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him send.
The last item that you get is nose ring. It's this nose ring. Let me tell you a story. I used to wear my, you know, press-ons earrings as my nose ring, as I was obsessed with nose rings in my teenage years, which was not that long ago though. So yeah, this is the nose ring that I got, and let me try it on for you guys so that you guys can see how it looks on me. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's how it looks on me. Cost is about 150 rupees, which you get for like about 65 rupees, although there's not much of a difference. But yeah, I really like the nose ring. And so that was it for the Euphorbia Box February edition unboxing. I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, because that would mean a lot to me and that would make my day. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Run away.